Unwrapping the Meaning of String Cheese. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and tasty topic: string cheese. This term might sound a bit strange to those learning English, so let's dive in and understand what it really means. Whether you're a cheese lover or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. String cheese is a type of cheese that's been processed to have a fibrous texture. This texture allows the cheese to be easily pulled apart in strands or strings, hence the name. It's commonly made from mozzarella or a combination of mozzarella and cheddar. Popular in the United States, string cheese is often enjoyed as a snack, especially by children. In this section, we'll delve into the cultural aspect of string cheese. It's not just a snack, it's a part of American snacking culture, particularly for school lunches or quick snacks on the go. Understanding such cultural references can be essential in comprehending the context in which certain English phrases are used. Here, we'll see how string cheese is used in everyday English. For example, can you add some string cheese to the shopping list? My kids love to play with string cheese before eating it. These sentences show the casual and familiar way in which the term is used, often relating to food or grocery shopping. Did you know that string cheese is sometimes used in creative cooking? People use it in recipes like stuffed crust pizzas or as a tasty addition to salads. It's also a good source of calcium. That's a wrap on string cheese. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture behind the phrases. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy a snack, maybe even some string cheese, along the way. See you in the next video.